Welcome back to Modern Day Bum Living. Are you able to touch your toes? For the longest time, I was not able to touch my toes, and I swear I was the only person. But what I realized is I have really tight hips. My hips and my hamstrings are so tight that it was enabling me for being able to bend over and touch my toes. I was only able to go down to my knees, but I stretched and I've worked at it, and now I'm able to touch the floor. So check this out. My knuckles are touching the floor, my knees are nice and straight, and this is an amazing accomplishment. If I don't stretch every day, I can definitely feel my hamstrings still get really tight. All right, so now we're gonna get our hips moving. What I like to do is I like to do a squat and then kick, touching my alternate foot to my opposite hand. Same thing. When it came to squatting, this was something I had to work up to. I wasn't able to go past my knee. So with the workouts that I had, I was able to get a lot lower and deeper stretch. Now we're going into downward dog and walking ourselves forward. This is a great stretch for your calves and your hamstrings, as well as your lower and upper back. We're going to move into pigeon pose. This is a great one to hit all the areas, your hips, your quads, your hamstrings. You can really feel that stretch. If you want to get a deeper stretch, then you can just push your upper body down so your elbows are touching the ground, and that will just get it just a little bit deeper. So once you're done the one leg, go ahead, move to the opposite leg, and take your time on this. Once you are completed with your pigeon pose and feel that great stretch, then go ahead, we're gonna move back into downward dog. Get that stretch. You should feel your calves and your hamstrings stretch a little bit better. They're all warmed up now. It should feel nice and good. We're gonna go down to cat-cow pose. So this is where you're on all fours and you're arching your back up, and then you're pushing your belly button to the floor. You're going to feel this stretch up and down your spine and your lower back. Take your time, enjoy the stretch. Thank you for joining me today, and thanks for watching Modern Day Bum Living.